In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a practice session on chess.com. If you want a quick, structured way to sharpen your skills, the practice area on chess.com makes it simple. Here's how to get there and choose the training that fits your goals. First, go to chess.com in your web browser. Any modern browser works on desktop, laptop, tablet, or phone. You can follow along even if you're not signed in. However, if you already have an account, your progress and ratings will be tracked automatically, which is helpful over time. Next, click on More. You'll find the More option in the site's main navigation at the top of the page. On smaller screens, it may appear as an icon that opens the full menu. The idea is the same. Open the expanded list so you can access the training tools. Now hover to train. On a computer, move your mouse over the More menu to reveal its sections, then glide to the area labeled Train. On a touch device, opening the More menu will show the same section without hovering. Train is the hub for skill-building tools designed to target specific parts of your game. From there, click on Practice. This takes you into chess.com's practice area, where you'll find curated drills and guided scenarios. Each drill focuses on a particular theme, presenting positions that help you build pattern recognition and confidence without needing to set up a full game. Finally, choose any practice mode of your choice. Pick the one that matches what you want to improve today. If you're honing calculation, a tactics-focused drill can sharpen your vision. If you're working on technical play, endgame practice helps you convert small advantages. As you work through a drill, take a moment to consider candidate moves and visualize the position before you play. Many drills include brief feedback. Use it to confirm ideas and correct mistakes. If something feels tough, start easier and build up. Consistency matters more than speed. And that's it. Go to chess.com, click More, hover to train, click Practice, and choose the mode that suits you. You're now set up for focused, effective training. Happy practicing.